Hey guys, this is Hakim from UBK. Today I will be unboxing the latest from Oneplus, which is the Oneplus 5T in Midnight Black. Out of the box, you will get the basic dash charger that only works with Oneplus phones. Do note that the normal quick charge will not quick charge your Oneplus. A USB to Type-C cable, a case is provided in the box. It's made of silicone, it's very flexible, and it has a very good grip. Very nice of OnePlus to provide this in the box. We have the basic SIM ejector pin, a quick start guide in many different languages, and as usual, okay, so here's a quick look. This phone has a dual nano SIM. On the display side, it has a 6-inch optic AMOLED Full HD display with an 18:9 aspect ratio and a Gorilla Glass 5. It runs on Nougat, but I think an Android 8 beta is already out for download. And on the processing side, this has the latest Snapdragon 835. This is the 6GB of RAM version with 64GB of internal storage. It has NFC, it has a decent 3300 mAh battery, and it has a back-mounted fingerprint scanner. There's a dual setup at the back. One is 16 megapixel and the other is 20 megapixel. Both has an aperture of 1.7. There's no OIS, but there's an EIS. The camera shoots up to 4K at 30 frames per second and 1080p at 60 frames per second with dual LED flash. And over up front, we have a 16 megapixel shooter with an aperture of 2.0. It has EIS to pretty much stabilize your selfie shots, which is nice. And as usual, the dedicated OLED slider is still present, which is very nice. Down below, we have the headphone jack, we have the mic, the Type-C connector, as well as the speaker grill. On the left side, we have the dedicated OLED slider. We have the volume up and down rocker, and that's pretty much it. Nothing on top, very clean. On the right side, we have the SIM slot, we have the power button, and that's pretty much it. So if you just enjoyed that, do subscribe and like this video for more future stuff. Thanks!